Hey, welcome to our Chennai 98 YouTube channel. If you're looking for a reliable and powerful antivirus software, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be showing you how to download and install VIPRE Antivirus, one of the best security solutions on the market. Introduction. First, let's talk about why you need VIPRE Antivirus. With the rise of online threats, it's more important than ever to have a strong and reliable antivirus program installed on your computer. VIPRE Antivirus offers comprehensive protection against various types of malware and online threats that can cause serious harm to your PC. Downloading and installing VIPRE Antivirus. Now, let's dive into how to download and install VIPRE Antivirus on your PC. Step 1. Go to the VIPRE Antivirus website. The first step is to visit the VIPRE Antivirus website, which you can find by doing a quick Google search. Step 2. Click on Download Now. Once you're on the website, look for the Download Now button and click on it. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions. After clicking on the download button, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install VIPRE Antivirus on your computer. Step 4. Activate your license. Once you have installed VIPRE Antivirus, you'll need to activate your license to start using the software. Simply enter the license key that you received when you purchased VIPRE Antivirus, and you're good to go. VIPRE Antivirus is a powerful and reliable security software that provides complete protection against various online threats. With easy installation and activation, you can quickly secure your computer and enjoy peace of mind knowing your data is safe. So, don't wait any longer, go ahead and download VIPRE Antivirus today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.